Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. It's your boy JJ right here once again at JJ's PC Builds. We're going to get this B-roll started. So, this is, what day is this? See, this is the 30th of December 2022, just to let you know. We're going to take a little adventure on eBay, and I'm going to be looking at the RTX 2060. For some reason, something tells me to be looking at that, but stick around. Here we go. And welcome back to that B-roll. All right, this is the deal. I got a couple comments down and, suggestion. I got subscribers suggesting that I should go the 6600 XT from AMD, or I should do the 4070 RTX 4070 Ti from nvidia. Okay, I know. Now the thing is this: the 6650 XT is a great card, but for the price right now, the price is a little bit out of my wheelhouse. So, and the 4070 Ti is definitely going to be out of my wheelhouse with the price. I understand they're great cards, but I want to take an adventure and look at the RTX 2060, let's say the Evo Overclocked Edition, 12 gigabytes GDR6. So I want to take an adventure and look into this. I know they got the 2070, for around almost the same price, but I want to look at the 2060. I want to get y'all's opinion on this. And please leave a comment below if I'm going in the wrong direction. But I'm basically looking at this graphics card not so much for gaming. I'm looking at for much video editing and stuff like that. And a little bit of gaming too, but I use I don't use DirectX 12 or DirectX 11 or so on. The games I play is like OpenGL games. Okay, so I run basically off of OpenGL and not so much on DirectX. So do leave me a comment if I'm going in the wrong direction, but we're going to go ahead and just dive right into this. Oh, and before we dive into this, if this is your first time here watching my videos, make sure you subscribe. It would help out the channel. I see there's a lot of people watching my videos, but they're not subscribing. In order for you to get the latest updates on the newest videos that I put out, it's best to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, and it doesn't hurt anything, and it helps the channel out tremendously, having the subscribers. We still need 1,000 subscribers, and we still need 4,000 watch hours in order for YouTube to recognize us as a full-fledged 100 legit channel, which we are 100% legit channel. It's all me, and this helps build the channel. We want to keep growing the channel. So if you subscribe, it would be much appreciated. If you put positive likes on the videos, that's even more appreciated. If you watch the videos again, it's even more appreciated. I'm not asking for anything, just subscribe, watch the videos. That would help us out here. I say us as me, but for now, it's just me doing this, and maybe later on down the road I'll bring somebody else in and then start growing over here to get better content out to y'all. So we're doing the best we can, just to let you know. But anyway, let's go ahead and get back to diving into the video. Alrighty, so the thing is this. I'm going to switch y'all up to the my other screen here. Oh lordy, and see what y'all did to me. Oh my goodness, it switched on me all of a sudden. Let me go ahead and fix that. There we go, we fixed it. A little bit of craziness, but I do apologize for that. I have been looking at video cards. I've been looking at this one right here. I mean, go ahead and switch to it. I've been looking at this one here. It's 12 gigabytes, OC edition. It's dual fan. I mean, I've been looking at this one because I think, in my mind, that it might be a good one. It's got 100% positive feedback. I mean, it looks like it's good. It'll definitely work in the computer I have. I know it's PCIe 3.0. Okay, I know it's PCIe 3.0. Okay, it's 3.0 x 16. So, but I'm using the B450 motherboard. The PCIe 3.0 x 16 would work perfect with this anyway. Okay, for gaming, I think it would do really good. For what kind of gaming I do, and for video editing, I would imagine it does great. Now, y'all let me know in the comments below. Please comment on this, because I'd like to know before I buy the card if it's a good deal or not. You know what I'm saying? So before I buy this card, please let me know. So that way, when I make the purchase, I'm making a good purchase. It's within my wheelhouse. You got to remember, I'm purchasing stuff like the normal everyday consumer does. Okay, trying to save money, trying to get the best graphics, and and so on. I'm going to tell you like this. I don't have $700, I don't have $2,000, $3,000 for to buy a video card. Okay, I'm like the consumer that's just looking to, like everybody else, looking to buy something with a great deal and a low price. And that's basically what I'm looking for. But if you all think it's something different, you let me know. But they have this one here, but I'm not bidding on the video cards. I'm just going through and seeing what kind of deals I can get with, I see this one here's, but if you look at the bottom, this says 210 plus $166.20 shipping. Okay, really? No. See, that right there, that to me, that tells me it's a scam. You really got to look when you go to buy these things. Okay? I mean, I really look because I really want to make sure I get the right kind of deal. I don't want to spend like $500, $600, $700 just to get a video card. I mean, look at these. $400. $400. Look at this. $800. $900. You got to be kidding me. Look at this. They want $2,400 their best offer for a whole PC. I mean, $600. Look at this. It's just it to me. I'm not bidding on it, so I don't even look at the bids. It's like a buy it now or never. So that's pretty much all they got down on the 2060 right here. So, uh, but anyway, y'all seen what I see, and it is what it is. So, anyway, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think on it. I'm thinking about it myself, and this is my conclusion. I did my homework on it. I know it doesn't meet up to certain standards of different video cards. I know there's the 6600. But the thing is this. If I keep staying with AMD, okay, and they're choking the amount of overclocking you can do to get the best performance possible out of the video card. I can't really stay with a company that's going to take and choke you out for what you pay for. I mean, it's bad enough, when you get an integrated graphics card, integrated graphics on a processor, and they choke you out from overclocking the iGPU. So, but it's just like the video card. I want to be able to have some overclocking capabilities. I want to be able to have some great video editing, and so on and yada yada. Just let y'all know that. But the thing is this, when you go to buy a card, now these days, you're not going to get the greatest deal. I know everybody's telling me, well, wait until the RTX 4050 comes out. Wait until... Okay, by the time I get done waiting for those other cards to come out, guess what's going to happen? I'm going to turn into bones. What gives? So, but anyway, I just want you all to think about when you're shopping for cards, make sure you're getting the best deals. Contact the seller, ask them the question, details about the card. Has it been mined on, has it been, overclocked? How long has it been ran? Ask them really good questions to where you can understand what the deal is about that card. Now, if you get a really good deal, you get a really good deal. If you don't, you don't. But I'm going to try for a good deal myself and see if it works. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. We're still going to try. But make sure you subscribe, like the videos, watch the videos from beginning to end. We're going to jump out of here, but until the next time in the next video, this is JJ, your boy. We will see you on the next one.